2020 gaming chair. OG approved. What's up, everyone? I am the OG, the office guy. Hey, before I give you the breakdown on the HON Basyx HVST912 gaming chair, my name is Joe Feezer, and if you'd like to learn more about me, check out my introduction video. Hey, I'll put a link down below so you can check it out. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hammer the subscribe button below and click on the bell if you'd like to get notifications. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video and I will give you a bonus tip on the assembly of this chair plus the OG rating on this product review. You want to talk about where quality meets value? Get into the game with the racing style gaming chair, which delivers high-tech style and high performance comfort and support. The innovative design of this chair appeals to gamers of all ages and features a black bonded leather seat and back with colored leather accents and matching detailed stitching. You can quickly flip the padded leather arms down whenever you want a little extra support, then flip them right back up whenever you want the freedom of movement. Hey, this trendy chair swivels 360 degrees and features a tilt control that supports a variety of reclining positions. Perfect for a variety of gaming postures. Now let's jump right into the assembly of this chair. It is pretty straightforward and easy to assemble. I do want to mention the pack of hardware comes with an Allen wrench, and here is one of your bonus tips. If you have a cordless drill and a bit that will fit the screws, this will make the project go a lot quicker. Trust me. Just make sure, and this is very important, you do not, and let me repeat, do not put your cordless drill on the highest setting, especially the drill setting. I usually start out on about halfway and then maybe bump it up 3/4 if I have to. First, I've unpacked the chair from the box and double checked to make sure I have all the parts, and you can do this by matching the parts to the parts list on the directions. Now, the first thing you want to do is take the base and insert the 5 casters into it. You will then want to put the pneumatic stem into the base. Now go ahead and set the base to the side for a minute and put a piece of cardboard or a blanket down on the surface you are working on to protect the leather on the seat. Flip the seat upside down and take the mechanism and set it on the bottom of the seat. You will see the mechanism is stamped or labeled front, and also there will be a sticker on the seat that says front. Please make sure you match them up in the correct direction. Insert the 4 screws that correspond with the directions on this chair. They are labeled H on this particular set of directions. Once you have all 4 screws tight, you will want to turn the seat over and put it on the pneumatic stem. Now at this point, you should only have 8 screws left, and they should be the longer screws. And in this example, they are letter I. So let's take the right arm and put the 2 screws into it that attach the arm to the seat. Please do not tighten them all the way at this point, because it will make attaching the back much easier for you. Repeat the process for the left arm. Now let's go ahead and attach the back. This is the only part of the assembly that can be a little tricky. I would suggest if you have someone that can help you, go ahead and recruit them at this time. Lay the back face down on the seat, and you will want to only start the screw in the top hole. Once you get that started, repeat the process for the other side. Now pull the back up so it is vertical. Carefully insert the bottom screws on each side. This is where your recruit will come in handy to help you hold the back vertically for you while you align the screw with the holes. Now go back through all 8 screws and fully tighten them. Once you have that done, you will see there are plastic caps that fit inside all the holes to give you a clean finish. Go ahead and insert them at this point. So there you have just how easy it is to assemble the Basyx by HON HVST912. Now this thing is available in 4 colors: black leather with red accent, black leather with gray accent, black leather with blue accent, and also black leather with a chartreuse lime green accent. As promised, I told you I was going to give you the OG rating on this chair. Number 1, the Ergonomic Posture Support. Its fully adjustable seat height and seat back recline match your comfort and work preferences. This chair is available in 4 colors, as I just mentioned. It is backed by the HON Limited 5-year warranty. And number 4, and the bottom line is, this chair is where quality meets value. So for these reasons, I give the HON HVST912 an OG rating of 5 stars, baby. Hey, question of the week. What gaming chair do you own, or are you interested in? Hey, drop me a comment below and let me know. So if you like what the OG channel is all about, please go ahead and subscribe below. If you'd like to get more information on this chair, you can email me at that's OG, theofficeguy@gmail.com. There's also a link below. Remember, it's your business, your workspace. Thanks for watching. I am the OG, baby. And this video is OG approved.